In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively perform a group by operation in Snowflake. Group by is an incredibly powerful tool when working with databases, allowing us to aggregate data and derive meaningful insights from our datasets. Whether you're analyzing sales data, tracking user activity, or any other type of data analysis, understanding how to use the group by clause will greatly enhance your analytical capabilities. So let's break down exactly how you can perform a group by operation in Snowflake using a simple SQL query. When you're ready to start, you'll first want to construct a SQL select query. This query will be designed to collect the data you need from your table. To do this, you'll specify the columns you're interested in. These will be the ones you want to group your data by. Imagine you're working with a table named Your Table. In Snowflake, you'd start with defining your select statement like this. Select column 1, column 2, aggregate function, column 3, from your table group by column 1, column 2. Let's delve into this query a bit. This particular command selects column 1 and column 2 directly from your table, and as you'll notice, it uses an aggregate function on column 3. What's important here is understanding what an aggregate function is and how it applies within a group by context. Aggregate functions are specifically designed to perform calculations on a set of values and return a single result. Think of common aggregate functions like sum, which tallies up all the values, AVG, for obtaining an average, or count, for simply counting how many items exist. Now, returning to our query, column 1 and column 2 are the columns which you want to group by. Essentially, this means that any rows in your table that share identical values in these columns are grouped together. It's like organizing your data into distinct buckets based on shared characteristics from these columns. The next critical piece of the query is applying the aggregate function, in this case on column 3. The choice of function depends on the insight you're aiming to achieve. For example, if you're interested in summing sales across different regions and products, you might use sum, column 3, where column 3 represents your sales figures. As you can see, the group by clause is foundational for summarizing large datasets efficiently in Snowflake. It allows you to collapse what can be overwhelming lists of records into concise summaries, helping you see the bigger picture with ease. As you start incorporating this technique into your queries, you'll find it can dramatically streamline data analysis processes and enhance your understanding of your datasets. So there you have it, a clear and straightforward approach to using the group by clause in Snowflake. Experiment with different aggregate functions, see how they interact with your specific datasets, and enjoy the new insights you uncover. Happy querying, and thanks for watching.